Students, today we will study chapter number 3, quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is the word used with the noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or things which the noun names. It is also used to tell the number, quantity or quality of the noun. Students, adjectives are those words which describe the quality and quantity of the noun. It also tells us about the number of the noun. It describes the person, animal, place or things. Now look at the following sentences. Jack is a naughty boy. Naughty is an adjective. Second, I don't like that man. That is an adjective. Third, mom give me 5 oranges. 5 adjective. There is little time for preparation. Little adjective. In sentence 1, naughty describe what kind of boy is Jack. Okay. In sentence 2, that describe which man is meant. In sentence 3, 5 shows how many mangoes mom kept. In sentence 4, little shows how much time there is for preparation. Okay, so adjective shows about the time, quality and quantity of the noun. Okay, now comes quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. It shows how much of a thing is meant as. It means how much thing is required. First one is, we have had enough exercise. Enough adjective. He had no sense. No adjective. You did not eat any rice. Any adjective. He has little intelligence. Little adjective. He showed much patience. Much adjective. He has lost all his wealth. All adjective. The whole money was spent. Whole adjective. Okay. 8 point. I ate some rice. Some adjective. Take great care of your health. Great adjective. He claimed his half share of the booty. Half adjective. There has not been sufficient rain this year. Sufficient adjective. So, students, adjective of quantity answer the question how much. It answers the question how much of a thing is required. Okay. Now come emphasizing adjective. Own and very are used to emphasize a possession, possessive adjective or a noun. Own is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. Okay. I am my own master. Own emphasizing adjective. Mind your own business. Own emphasizing adjective. He saw it with his own eyes. Own again. You will be beaten at your own game. Own again. Very. Very is used to emphasize a noun. This is the very thing we mean. Very. Dear, it stands to this very day. Okay. So, students, emphasizing adjective include own and very. Own is used to show the possessive adjective or noun. Okay. Very is used to emphasize the noun. Okay. Numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives or adjective of numbers show how many person or things are mean or in what order a person or thing stand as. Okay, numeral adjective are also known as adjective of number. It shows how many person or things are mean or in what order a person or thing stand as. For example, all men must die. All numeral adjective. Most boys like cricket. Most numeral adjective. Few cats like cold water. Few here. The hand has 5 fingers. 5 numeral adjective. Here are some ripe mangoes. Some numeral adjective. I have taught you many things. Many numeral adjective. There are no pictures in this book. No numeral adjective. Sunday is the first day of the week. First numeral adjective. There are several mistakes in the answer written by you. Several numeral adjective. Numeral adjective answer the questions how many. It means how many person or things are made or in what order. a person or thing stands. Numeral adjectives are of three kinds. First one, definite numeral adjectives. It denotes an exact number. They are of two types, ordinal and cardinals. Okay. Ordinals, first, second, third, and cardinal include 1, 2, 3, etc. Always remember, a cardinal denotes how many and ordinal denotes the order of things in a series. Ordinals really do the work of demonstrative adjectives. It means cardinal denotes the number and ordinal denotes the order of a series, order of things in a series. Ordinal really do the work of demonstrative adjective. Now comes indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjectives do not denote an exact number. All, no, many, few, some, several are known as indefinite numeral adjective, which does not show exact number. All men are mortal, no boy was absent, many people are poor, few men are honest, some men die young, several girls came there, these eggs will be enough, I have helped him on sundry occasions. Okay, in each of the sentence you will notice that there is no exact number like 1, 2, 3, 4 or any rank like first, second, third. So it does not show any exact number. It shows like all. When we talk about all things, no means nobody, many means a lot of, few means little or some. Okay, here we use all, no, many, few, some, several. We do not use exact number. Now, distributive numeral adjective. It refers to each one of a number as, for example, either pen will do, on either side of the park is narrow lane, neither statement is true, every word of it is false, every man wishes to be happy, each boy must take his turn, 10 girls stood in each row. Okay, it means they talk about each one of the number. One more thing, students, you are supposed to understand about some, all, no, enough. Some, all, no, enough can be used as adjective of quantity and adjective of number both according to their use. For example, here adjective of quantity and here adjective of number. I ate some rice, here it is used according to the adjective of quantity. Some boys are clever, here it is used about adjective of number. He has lost all his wealth, here adjective of quantity. All men must die, here adjective of number. You have no sense, adjective of quantity. There are no pictures in this book, adjective of number. He did not eat any rice, adjective of quantity. Are there any mango trees in this garden? Adjectives of number. I have enough sugar, adjective of quantity. We have not enough spoon, adjectives of number. So, there are some words like some, all, no, enough which can be used both as adjective of quantity or adjective of number according to their use. Thank you.